I just got a new apartment. I'm gonna lick the floor away. Walk around this beach. Oh, y'all hit them with cue sticks. Can't nobody tell me ish. Hey y'all, it's me. It's mochamoizelle live from Kingston, Jamaica. So last time y'all seen me, y'all know I was in desperate need of a place, and I am happy to say that I finally got one. Jamaica, y'all know y'all wrong. Y'all took me down off through there trying to find somewhere to live. But I was patient. I took my time, and I want to dedicate this video to everybody who basically showed up and showed out for me. Had I known I would have gotten the response I've gotten had I just asked for help in the beginning, I would have been made that video. Like, I still got people messaging me, you got somewhere to live? I got somewhere for you to stay. Like, the love has been outpouring. Like, I'm turning down places now. Like, I got like 300 places to stay, all thanks to y'all. And I appreciate y'all so much for sharing and subscribing and supporting me throughout my journey. I love you for it. So I'm going to show y'all my place. So I'm going to show y'all the inside. I will not be showing the outside just yet due to the amount of ping that has made its way to my inbox. I don't need nobody running up on my yaad. Y'all like my new words? I'm learning, y'all. Me yaad. I don't want nobody coming upon me yaad. Y'all, I don't, I'm learning, I'm new, okay? But I can't show the outside just because it's too risque for me at this moment. So, are y'all ready to look at my place? I hope so. And apologies if y'all thought I was on some beachfront resort. That ain't the case. But let's take a look, see. Okay, so this is my living room area. I ain't got lickety split up in here, so y'all basically just about to see my empty place. This is my living room area, and this is a bed someone was so kind to donate to me until I was able to get situated. I was trying to figure out what to do with this because it won't fit upstairs, so I don't know. This is some material I got from Pablo's down in Kingston to make me some. Sorry, y'all. So I made some curtains. I'll let y'all see them in a bit. But this is my living room. This is my living room space. And now we're going to go to the laundry area. So this is my washing machine. Very simple setup. It's just a basic wash. And it drains right here, my little pipe. This is the bathroom. This is my bathroom that I got. And let's go on to the kitchen. So, very simple setup. Gas stove. I have my gas container here. And it's my little refrigerator. It's my air fryer, my dear air fryer that is so near and dear to me. So this is the kitchen area. And for those of you who may not be familiar, like most places that I viewed in Jamaica, you have to bring your own appliances. So I had to go get a refrigerator and a stove, and this isn't like electric at all, so it's purely just operating off of the stove. So this is my kitchen. This is my kitchen setup. And let me take y'all to the bedroom. Okay, so this is my bedroom. Y'all, when I say I got the basics, I got the basics. That's it. So I've been in here for about 2 weeks now. It'll be 3 weeks tomorrow, I think. So these are some curtains that I made. I'm not finished. As you can see, I just got one panel for this one, but my little mirror, and then that's the entryway to the bathroom. But this is the bedroom, and I guess now, oops, I will take y'all upstairs. All right, y'all, so we're gonna go upstairs, same thing. I ain't got nothing up there, so y'all just gonna look at some empty rooms, but I'm still excited. I just got a new apartment. I'm gonna leave the floor away, walk around this beach. Oh, y'all hit them acoustics? Can't nobody tell me ish. Okay, so we're upstairs, and let me let y'all take a gander. So this is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. Let me turn on the light. I'm gonna call it 2.5 bedrooms because let y'all see a little bit. That's my mango tree. But this is the upstairs bedroom, and I'm going to use the 2nd bedroom up here. It's like this is gonna be my office / studio. So this is it. So I'm gonna set up everything in here, my media equipment and all of that good stuff. So this is just gonna be my productivity space, if you will. So yeah, that's my space. This is it. It's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. It's in Kingston. This costs about $55K. So that's about closer to $400 in US dollars. But yeah, I like it. It's cute. My little neighborhood be jumping. Sometimes you'll see Billy Goat them walking down the street. So it's a cool little place. I'm liking it so far. So this is mochamoizelle's pad in the meantime. Yeah, so it's in my budget. It does what I need it to do. It's affordable for me. It's shelter. So yeah, I'm liking it. And like I had so many, I'm gonna have to just sit down and talk to y'all once I get a little bit more set up. But I had just like I got a lot of experience looking for a place here in Kingston. I had some run-ins. I had people trying to play me crazy because apparently this means I'm just rich. This sound coming out my mouth means I just got it like that. And just it was an experience, one that I'm glad I got, one that I won't change for nothing, because now for the next person who wants to make Jamaica their home, I can take them through the process, let them know what to expect, what to do. So it was definitely a great learning experience. And that's my place, y'all. So what are some questions that y'all have? You know, just any general things and topics. I'm gonna start trying to learn how to make some traditional Jamaican dishes. I'm going to start experimenting. So y'all, made some ackee for the first time. But they was telling me that I need to have the ackee with the salt fish. So I'm gonna get some salt fish and I'm gonna get some ackee And I'm just gonna get on here and I'm gonna let y'all tell me what I need to do, because I wanna learn and I wanna know how to cook, you know. When my folks come, I wanna be able to give them the authentic Jamaican experience. These folks always in the yaad. I'm about to wear that word out, y'all. Yaad. But anyway, so that's it. My Blacks video got way more attention than I was expecting it to. So there are a lot of things that I plan to address. A lot of questions that people have. Some of the pushback that I got from Jamaicans, from people back at home in the U.S., from wherever, people in Africa. I'm going to address some of the questions and just kind of get into like more of the layers of why I felt coming to Jamaica was necessary. So as y'all can see, it's hot. I am perspiring, and I thank y'all so much, so much for showing up for me. Like literally, like to this day, I still get emails, people asking me, checking in on me, making sure that I'm good. And the love has just been overwhelming. So I want to thank y'all so much just for like welcoming me to Jamaica and making sure that I'm good, making sure that, you know, you are giving me some type of guidance, and it's all love. I'm so appreciative. I thank y'all so much. So if you are a Black person who wants to move to Jamaica or return to Jamaica, you want a sense of community, you want you want a group of people to help guide you and hold your hand somewhat through this process, I highly encourage you to join my group on Facebook. It is Black Expats in Jamaica. I will link it below in the description box as well. But there is a plethora of information on moving to Jamaica. And if you just want to, if you're curious and you want to see if it's possible, it is very much so possible. So join that group if you're interested. You must be Black, and you must be thinking about or in Jamaica or have some type of correlation to Jamaica in some sense. So join the group if you have any questions. We're there to support you. We're here to guide you. If you're Jamaican and you are able to give some helpful information and tips, please join the group. So this is a collective, this is a community that we're trying to build, and I want us to start solidifying these connections and these relationships so that we can start. I believe in Jamaica. Like, I see so much potential in Jamaica, and I want the inhabitants of Jamaica, the long-time inhabitants of Jamaica, to reap the benefits of Jamaica. So again, it's all love, y'all. Thank y'all so much for subscribing and watching, and it's only up from here. So make sure, if you have not subscribed yet, please do. Please share this. Please share my channel, videos, whatever, for anybody who's considering moving abroad. This isn't just for Jamaica, but there seems to be a lack of emphasis on the Caribbean. So anybody who's thinking about moving to the Caribbean, to Jamaica, or period, they just want to see that it's been done, people are doing it, feel free to share this with them, okay? And I'm mochamoizelle. You can find me on Instagram at mochamoizelle, Facebook, mochamoizelle everywhere, okay? So thank y'all so much. I hope y'all have a lovely day, evening, night, wherever you are watching this, and I will be back because we got lots of things to discuss. So peace and love to y'all. Bye.